Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist with 6 years of field experience as an appliance repair technician, and this is what to check before calling a tech when your washing machine is overflowing. First of all, if the washing machine is actively overflowing, before you do anything else, hit cancel on the washing machine to try to get it to drain. And if it won't drain, unplug the washing machine and turn off the water going to it. If possible, it's always best to determine where the overflow is coming from and determine if it's overflowing only when the machine is running or if the overflow is occurring even when the washing machine is turned off. If you're unable to resolve the overflow yourself and have to call a professional, those are some of the first things they'll want to know. If your washing machine is an HE, high efficiency machine, make sure you're using HE laundry detergent and make sure you're using the correct amount of it. HE detergent is very concentrated, so 2 to 3 tablespoons is enough for most loads of laundry. You should generally only use more if your washing machine is very large capacity, if you're washing a larger than normal load of laundry, or if the laundry you're washing is more heavily soiled than normal. If you're already doing all of that, check to see if the washer is draining. If the washer isn't draining, see the section on not draining. If the water is exiting the washer without leaking, but it's overflowing the plumbing where the drain hose is inserted, call a plumber. And if the washing machine is still overflowing after trying all of that, that's when it's time to call an appliance repair tech. The complete What to Check Before Calling a Tech washing machine troubleshooting guide, along with troubleshooting guides for dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, microwaves, and ranges, will be available at my Blink in Lio beginning January 31st, 2025.